Welcome everybody to the Whole Circle Homestead. Today we're going to make a really simple DIY chicken pooper scooper. It's going to make cleaning out the coop a little more easy and efficient. We use sand in the chicken coop. I love it. It makes cleaning so much easier. We've been using a cat litter box scoop and a bucket. There's got to be an easier way. Alright, let's get to building. We're just going to make this out of some random stuff I got laying around. Edison said, to invent, all you need is a good imagination, a pile of junk. This is kind of living up to that. I borrowed that quote off a child's museum wall. And there you have it, the very simple, easy chicken pooper scooper. Let's go see how it works. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see how this thing works. Much easier. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the quick, easy project. Please like and comment the video. We really appreciate it. It does help out the homestead. Please subscribe and join the Wholesome Homesteader community. Check out our website to see what else we're up to. We'll see you next time. Hey, why are you running around, crooked beak? I got nothing. Pooper scooper. Pooper scooper. Excuse me, ladies. Ooh, windy, windy, windy. Oh, hi, ladies. I know, this scoop's crazy, isn't it?